Hi you guys, welcome to My Curious Crafts. This is Shan, and in today's video we're participating in an open collaboration hosted by some of our favorite YouTube friends. You guys, this collaboration was so much fun to participate in. Okay, so we only had a few requirements, and those were very simple. To produce a project, tablescape, coffee table, whatever you like. And to incorporate what makes you happy, what brings you joy, those types of things. Those are always fun, right? Because we can always identify the things that make us happy. And what makes me happy is being able to provide for my family, being out in nature, bling of course, and service. So let's get started. I don't want to talk too much, but I want you guys to be mindful of making sure that you guys go and check the description box below to make sure that you have the links of the wonderful ladies that are co-hosting and hosting this collaboration. They are called Heaven's Pearls, and also there will be a link to the playlist for all of the wonderful participants. I'm sure you guys are in for a treat, so please make sure to hit the description box before you leave the video. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate your time, and if you like my video, don't forget, give it a thumbs up, leave me a nice comment. I love to read what you guys think about the videos that I produce, and if you thought the content was worth it, subscribe to the channel. I would love to have you guys. I have so many things that I'm going to bring to you coming in the future. So stay tuned for that. Thanks. Bye, you guys. Be blessed.